Is your money working hard for you, or is it just sleeping in your bank account? Let me ask you, what if I told you that you could double your wealth every 3 years, without gambling it all away on some risky scheme? This is not a magic trick. This is the very strategy smart investors use to build generational wealth. Stay with me for these 3 minutes, and I'll show you exactly how. First rule. Money sitting in the bank is basically dead money. It might feel safe, but it earns almost nothing. And with inflation, its value is just going down every day. So, step 1, earn well. Step 2, invest smart. Earning money is only the beginning. Real wealth comes when you put your money to work. Here's the target. If you aim for 25% annual returns, you can double your wealth in just 3 years. And yes, it's possible, but only if you choose the right investment vehicles. Build yourself a diverse, active portfolio. This means mixing mutual funds, stocks, and even real estate. Don't forget about international options like overseas property. But remember, don't just invest and forget about it. Your portfolio is like a garden. It needs regular care and attention to actually grow. Now, how do you actually apply all this? First, stop hoarding cash. Move your funds into high-growth options and think long-term. Quick flips may sound cool, but they rarely create real, lasting wealth. Diversify everything. Never rely on just one sector or one type of asset. If you're not an expert, learn as much as you can or find a trustworthy advisor to help you. As your wealth grows, don't splurge on fancy things. Reinvest your gains and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. And every quarter, track your performance and make adjustments. Building wealth isn't a set-it-and-forget-it game. It's active, strategic work. All right, here's your quick action plan. Number 1, audit your finances. Check how much money is just lying idle. Number 2, find opportunities where you can realistically double your money in 3 years. Number 3, research mutual funds, stocks, or even real estate. Or better yet, talk to an expert. Number 4, set your 3-year wealth goal. And finally, monitor your progress every quarter and keep adjusting your strategy. So, are you ready to start building massive wealth? Subscribe to Azor Global right now for more powerful money tips, investment secrets, and proven strategies to double your wealth. Your journey to financial freedom starts today.